This is T-Bot, our new smart cleaning robot. It makes your life easier and takes care of the floor cleaning. T-Bot will vac and mop your rooms all by itself in a completely customized way. Just download the Trisa app and connect it with your Wi-Fi. Let T-Bot clean and scan your rooms to create the map. Fully charged, it will clean up to 300 meters squared or 180 minutes at once. Now, start to customize the way your home should be cleaned. Create virtual walls, no-go areas, draw own paths. Choose a cleaning pattern, the amount of water, suction power, and set various schedules. T-Bot can detect carpets and crosses small obstacles. You live in a house with several floors? Easy. You can create up to 6 maps. If you can't find your little helper anymore, just call it. T-Bot can speak and will answer you. Now you see, this cleaning robot is truly a man's best friend.